Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we are diving into a topic that affects every household, every family and every person trying to live healthier lives: eating healthy on a budget. I strongly believe that almost everybody dreams about eating better, but a lot of people still hold on to the idea that healthy eating is expensive, and because of that belief, they never even take the first step towards eating healthy. And honestly, I don't blame them. That mindset didn't start with them. Many of us grew up hearing that healthy foods are costly, they're hard to find, time-consuming, or not enjoyable. But here is the truth from my own years of living this lifestyle. Healthy eating is actually more affordable than unhealthy eating, both short-term and long-term. In this video, I'll be sharing unconventional tips and practical strategies that can truly help you start eating healthier without overspending. These are the same tips I used personally for years, and they worked beautifully. So grab your notebook because this video is packed with gems. Don't play with it, don't be dishonest. Let's get into it. Before we jump into the tips, let's establish one thing clearly. Healthy eating is not luxury. It is not a trend. It is not punishment. It's a lifestyle. Your body is the only home you have to live in for the rest of your life. It is the engine that carries you through life, through motherhood, through work, your goals, stress, daily responsibilities, and everything. What you feed that engine determines how well it's going to perform. You cannot pour soda, excessive sugar, heavily processed snacks, overly salty fast food, and nutrient-empty meals into your body and expect it to function at maximum capacity. A lot of fatigue, bloating, headaches, and digestive issues, sluggishness, brain fog, hormonal imbalance, and long-term health conditions are directly linked to the choices we continually make with food. Unfortunately, many people were not raised with this understanding. So when someone starts eating healthy, the reaction is often, you're punishing yourself, life is short, enjoy it now, or I don't want boring food. But that mindset is simply because they don't understand healthy eating. Healthy does not mean bland. Healthy does not mean boring. Healthy does not mean deprivation. You can enjoy flavorful meals, feel full and satisfied, and still nourish your body with every single meal. This channel and videos like this are here to show you that healthy eating can be simple, delicious, affordable, and truly enjoyable. What does healthy eating really mean? Let's quickly define it so that we're all on the same page. Healthy eating simply means choosing a variety of food that fuel your body with the nutrients it needs to function well. We are talking whole real foods, colorful vegetables, fresh fruits, good sources of protein, whole grains, healthy fats, and minimizing things like excessive added sugar, excess salt, ultra-processed foods, snacks that give you nothing but quick energy and long-term problems. It's not about cutting out rice forever, and it's not about living on salad bowls. It's not also about punishing yourself. It's simply choosing better for your body 80% of the times. Now, here are my unconventional tips for eating healthy. The first and the most important step you need to take is this. Let go of the belief that healthy eating is expensive, because that belief alone stops many people from even trying. Somebody may have fresh produce nearby. They may have access to local markets or affordable whole foods. But if the mind has already concluded healthy foods are expensive, they won't even explore the option available. And here is a practical comparison. A plate of chicken and fries from a fast food restaurant and a soda will easily cost some dollars, right? That same amount can cook a pot of beans and sweet potato porridge with vegetables that will give you multiple servings. Now, which one nourishes your body more? Which one keeps you full longer? Which one supports your energy, digestion, long-term health? When you begin to see food as an investment rather than expense, everything else changes. Here is a strategy that saved me time, money, and mental stress. At the start of each week, simply choose one affordable, healthy base ingredient. For instance, beans, sweet potatoes, brown rice, vegetables, or a large pot of vegetable stew. Then create multiple variations from that one base ingredient. For beans, make beans porridge, make moi moi, make plain boiled beans that you can serve with vegetable sauce or the popular beans and rice combo. For vegetable stew, eat it with sweet potatoes or quinoa or with rice, with beans, or even mix it with your yam porridge. Using one base ingredient helps you save money, reduce food waste, and plan easier, and then stay consistent. This is one of my personal hacks. If you make jollof rice, for example, don't just cook your rice with water. Use bone broth to increase protein and nutritional content. Then bulk it up with healthy and affordable vegetables like cabbage, carrots, green beans, ugu leaves, kale or spinach. You get the same taste, richer food, but with more volume, more nutrients, and it's a lot more satisfying. For fried rice, add loads of vegetables, carrots, cabbage, sweet corn, peas, lettuce. For yam porridge, add vegetables generously. For stew, add blended tomatoes or chopped vegetables to boost fiber and nutrients. This trick keeps you full longer, helps with digestion, reduces how much rice or carbohydrates you end up eating, and stretches your food so it lasts longer. It works every single time. This is not literally $0, but meals that cost very little to prepare. These are simple, affordable recipes you can always fall back when you're trying to save money or stay consistent. For example, okra and fish soup, vegetable stir fries, yam and vegetable sauce, beans and plantain, sweet potato porridge. Anytime you see a simple, healthy, low-cost recipe online, save it. Over time, you build a resource that keep you eating well, even on tight days. I personally have a couple recipes on my own $0 folder, and they save me money all the time. Plan your meals. This is not glamorous, but it is very essential. Without a plan, you wake up every day wondering what you're going to eat. You'll be overwhelmed and you'll be wondering what to feed your family with. And when that mental stress kicks in, you end up grabbing fast food or snacks outside, spending more money and feeding your body poorly. Planning even a basic weekly or monthly menu helps you save money, avoid impulse buying, reduce stress, and stick to healthy choices. It doesn't have to be perfect. It doesn't have to be rigid. It's simply a guide. And once your pantry is stocked according to your meal plan, cooking becomes easier and more enjoyable. One thing that pushes many people to eat outside is the visual appeal and taste of fast food. So instead of fighting that temptation, upgrade your healthy eating, upgrade your healthy cooking. Use colorful vegetables, herbs, spices, lemon, ginger, garlic, onions, simple plating techniques. When your food looks attractive and tastes great, the desire for drive-thru reduces drastically. And trust me, healthy food can be absolutely delicious. If you're enjoying this video so far and love healthy, delicious, budget-friendly recipes, don't forget to check the link in the description. I have a range of meal plans and recipe ebooks designed to help you enjoy this journey without stress. Healthy eating doesn't have to be complicated. It doesn't have to be expensive. It doesn't have to be boring. With the right mindset and a few practical strategies, you can nourish your body, feel better, save money, and enjoy food in a more meaningful way. Your body will thank you now and in the future. If you have found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment telling me which tip you are going to try first, and subscribe for more wellness content. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.